Chief Minister Biren says the mistake of the health department is the cause of Sagolman Imphali's district hospital row, assured to solve the issue. Manipur joins the rest of the world in observing International Dance Day today. And UCM to confirm if the framework agreement between NSC and IM and the central government harms the interest of the people. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, MLA of Kundrakpam Kendra and a team of 15 members of a JC against unnatural shifting of Imphali's district hospital, Sagolman, held a meeting with Chief Minister Nongthornmam Biren today. The Chief Minister has assured the JC members that the district hospital issue be solved soon. During the meeting, Chief Minister admitted that the issue was caused by a mistake on the part of Health Department and maintained that an urgent meeting will be convened with the Health Minister, who is currently out of station, to discuss the matter at the earliest. Speaking to media person at Sagolman Bazaar, media coordinator of the JC, BK Nandaibam, concisely briefed the issue of the Sagolman crisis, which surfaced with the sudden shifting of the construction site of district hospital from Sagolman in Kundrakpam constituency to Kiamgai Mayai Lekai in Kairao constituency, hurting the sentiments of the people of the constituency. BK Nandaibam maintained that the Chief Minister earnestly listened to their pleas and demands regarding the crisis and pointed out that a mistake of the Health Department is responsible. He added that the Chief Minister further gave assurance of convening a public meeting with the concerned Health Minister and resolve the issue at the earliest. BK also stated that the JC is optimistic that the government will act in accordance to their demand and construct the hospital at Sagolman. On the other hand, people of the constituency stayed sitting at Sagolman Bazaar Community Hall demanding the same.
Health Department ya so ba soibam khoina chanai khoinaram badagi praja singwan bani aduga amuk akoi gi honorable health minister naga yamna he puthokpi ba sigi soi tawi tawde na to yam toina tawba sigi che masi jo honorable CM dadi pura surprise oire ba karigumba authority imgi soi ju yaudaba sigumba kadai dano kari no details ju yaudaba sigumba che ji kanana puthokpa che no na mama sang honorable CM minister masang ba man yamna nungai taba phawi amso ang ba phawi CM gi chi sapchaba assurance makti nate tawdo ma lairiba hojik lairiba ground situation lamdam somda lairiba movement praja jingi sentiment ji ma sapchan urabani na reconsider tawbirakani habagi asaw thajabadu ko je sigi mai kai dagi lai Health Director da honorable CM na pinpoint tawga hai si department soibedi thon mani praja wari jena.
Manipur joined the rest of the world in observing International Dance Day today. A different organization in different parts of the state observed today. Manipur Dance Academy also observed the day at its Proyo Gopal Auditorium. Director and artists of the Manipur film Sangai Dancing Deer were honored with gifts on the occasion. Films on dance of Guru Meshnam Amubi, Guru L. Thambal Ngobi and Guru T.H. Suryamukhi and Sangai Dancing Deer were all screened at the observance. Speaking at the event, renowned filmmaker Aribam Sham Sharma said, documentation of the works of renowned gurus is important so that the future generation can learn from the gurus. Vice Chairman JNMDA Professor H. Tombi said, even though Manipuri dance has been the pride of the state, it is unfortunate that those working in the profession are less regarded and less recognized. He also maintained that non-implementation of culture policy shows that the authority concerned disregard for the culture of the state. Chief Minister Nongthornmam Biren along with Speaker Yumnam Khemchan and Water Resources Minister Lepao Haokip inspected the condition of Imphal riverbanks and dredging works being taken up along the river at different localities of Singjamai, Thongju and Yeshkul constituencies today. The team was accompanied by high-ranking officials of the state government. It may be mentioned that dismantling and eviction of houses, shops and other unauthorized structure is being done apart from dredging of riverbeds and strengthening of embankments by the state government to combat flash floods. The team mainly inspected areas namely Singjamai Oinam Thingel, Waikom Laikai, Mongkhang Lambi, Torban Khitri Laikai, Singjamai Chirom Laikai, Thokchom Laikai and Loglaubung, etc. New Central Committee members of United Committee Manipur UCM were administered oath of office for the term 2018 to 2021 at its office in Lamphel today. Sunil Karam of NIPCO, KSH Somorendro of Akom Loop and KH Athoba of IPSA have been inducted as the President, Vice President and General Secretary of the committee respectively. Speaking to media person, newly appointed President Sunil Karam stated that the organization will work towards bringing a united Manipur and that UCM along with people will stand together and face if the peace talks between NSC and IM and the central government harms the interests of the people of the state. Former President Elangbam Johnson lauded the support extended by the people during his presidentship and further appealed to the people to continue to support the new office bearers.
Hauzik Chatharak Laiba Mangda Tariba, Government of India, Amasung NSC and IMGA, Peace Talk Amakak, Chatharak Liba Asina, Manipur ki interest Sokayaba, Wapamama, Yorpa Tarba Matamda, Aikoi UCM. Amadi Manipur Miam Galonena, Hanbalaitana, Technology Aduga ethnic line da boundary mark toba Adugmayaro, Adugalona, state bypass, Tawuna Simba, Sumu Wapam se, Yabat Sungamoy, Hyper Wapam se, Aset Papire, Amagalona, Hyderba, issuing a say, like Technology
Manipur ki Manungda, Bodoland Territorial Council Gumba Amag Monda, ethnic nomenclature of the base, Tawakanda Simgani, Hyderba, regional Masiki setup ama, administrative setup ama Purakna Honariba, say Kaidonga, Masibang Pound of Yaroi, Masiki Wafam, say Hanjana, UCM, Amadisa, Minaribu Loopsina, reject or Laka Wafamni, Masikarigumba, India Gomena, Masi, Nampurachan and Honorakadi, Manipuda, Sweden Maki, Acho Irang Ama. Amagi Lakbagi Wafamado, Akoi Sweden Laklakani, Hibase, Government of India, Amadi Maruina, Aran Rapina, Kanjan Bigadavani, Hiriba Hiramasida, Makatana, UCM, Anova Body Sisiga, Akoi consultative round, Mayam Satarakan, the Anova campaign, Amagi the Makta Sam Sana Manipumiam, the Su Agna Tamzeri.
General Secretary of Administration of BJP Manipur Pradesh, K. Sarat Kumar, mocked Congress of being an opposition political party which keep inviting debates on petty issues, but BJP welcomes a debate on any larger issues for the welfare of the state. Sarat Kumar was speaking at the press briefing at BJP Nithebak to take office today. He said there has been many remarkable development in the state since BJP came to power in the state. K. Sharad Kumar cited repairing of National Highway 37, improvement on Hill-Valley relationship, dredging works of rivers and bringing a solution to Churachandpur incident. He also stated that the BJP-led government will launch Go to Village initiative to bring equal development in both urban and rural areas of the state. Sarat Kumar appealed to all the section of society to extend cooperation to the initiative.
Apunba Manipur amagi Saktam Pureba Sarkar Asida, Ekoi ruling opposition of Tatoga, Manipur gi lady Sarkar Asibu, Tagatana, Amadi Kari Torga Hena Sakot Pagilambit Sanction Mangam Wadagi, Haina, Hibi Gatra Haraga, Adu Unatenavada, Tikagi Maramu debate of Hagumba, Kar Harakasi, Equina, Asatorumba, constructive opposition Amagi, Ranti Toriba Levaki, Mapima Pamoina, MLA Wina Kadana, the political party, Masak Naiba, figure Moidana. Lady spokesperson Singna, Tamok Pasi, Equi, Masinwajade, Razamiam Nasu, Asikumbasi, Equina, Asatodi.
Mahut Minister Thanaujam Sham Kumar inaugurated the newly constructed Thumbukong Lairinbi Community Hall at Nungbrang in Andro constituency today. Speaking on the occasion, Andro MLA Minister Sham Kumar said it is the support of people that he is able to initiate several developmental works in the constituency. He assured that he will continue to work for the welfare of the people to improve road and bridges, health and education sector in the constituency. The minister said he will soon repair the school at Nongbrang villages and make it fully functional by aiding the lacking teaching faculties. He also assured to repair the shrine of the local deity before next year's Lai Harauba. On the other hand, Shyam Kumar also maintained that Go to Village campaign of the BJP-led government to be launched on May 1st will be able to fill the lacking infrastructures in the constituency. Pradhan of Tumukong Moirangpurel Gram Panchayat KH Thasana Laima, Ward Member M Nimai Maitei KH Ibomcha, President of Ningbrang Tumkong Laidenbi Youth Club KH Dhanajoy and people of the area attended the event.
Manglebe school si adukim ting nuai te heta aduna school si sigi metha manung de school si phajana sablo sangani adu metha manung dagi jun tha dagi suti kar pakar suti kar kanda ngang masam sa lai myam si gomen ko ja phajan thara ne adu ai gi si side oja ka thara ka phajana yambe ma tori bo morang bre to mai to si school si tera ura ka school ani mak si chap chan taw ne aduna ngasi mayam mang thamjari si morang bre dagi na si koi dum samna ne ungso soi na koi gi lambi si BJP na sing ba government asa sakara sina praja gi welfare amadi lamdam gi khena ba nai dana amadi arban amazon town khen amala idana mibung kudi mak samanana akhoi seminon panaba hinam kudi mak manaba ta prognaba sing masum tam santi leina amadi nungsina hingmangam naba panamdu makhan makhen kya gi koi scheme pakhale.
Kanglei Park Student Association KSA in press release congratulated Pooja Ilangbam, Garmripu Gangmei and Ningthaujam Johnson who cleared the Civil Service Exam 2017 conducted by Union Public Service Commission UPSC. Members of the Lions Club Imphal planted tree saplings at Sagol Tongba Makhalaikai water supply ground in Patsoi constituency today. Members of the club, including its president Maibam Nandeshwar and the people of the planted large number of tree saplings. Later, an extension meeting of the club was also held at Sagol Tongba Makhalaikai Community Hall. The club also organized Vision Day and provided free eye check to the people of the locality as a part of the event.
Project si uthaba tree plantation su Lion Club ke amani khoi gi maru environment gi dangta ana si ji khoi nong handak sahi gi April de horaga nong taramina nong ta ga u ta hawdra gi nong tra gi tha di kan deba nong ta wa ta hawni na khoi gi handak si khoi na bearing tree 200 mo khoi madu gi thawi pandam ni nga si se tree plantation ma vision day hana khoi 29 si da me gi resource person ngang dana ma taw na si ma ya taw dori.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch in a press release has stated that the society will observe World Red Cross Day at the branch office on May 8. The society also said that a blood donation camp will be held on May 6 as a part of the observance, and a painting competition divided into 3 categories for students of class 3 to 10 will also be held on May 8. The press release mentioned that interested person can get details from the branch office. A 2-day refresher training program for professional drivers as a part of the nationwide 29th Road Safety Week kicked off today at ISBT Complex, Douala. Institute of Driver Training and Research Center, Manipur, organized a training program under the aegis of Department of Transport. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Director of Transport Department, Dr. David Ilangam said, "It is time to hold the road safety program throughout the year instead of holding Road Safety Week." He emphasized the need to raise awareness among the drivers when there is increasing number of vehicles as the population rises. David said it is time all the people follow the traffic rules to prevent accidents. Thoubal District Administration and District Transport Office and District Police jointly organized Sadak Jeevan Suraksha Raksha program as a part of the nationwide 29th Road Safety Week 2018 from April 23rd to 30th at Thoubal Mela Ground yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District, Haubam Rosita, stressed the importance of following the traffic rules to prevent road accident. SP Thoubal S. Gautam also attended the event. Naga Mandalam, a play in Hindi by Girish Karnad, was released in Manipuri, translated by Academy Awardee and NSD Khetri Jugindro at Ivoyaima Shumanglila Sanglen today. The play by the renowned playwright, actor and director has been translated in different languages and performed on stage. President of Critic Forum Manipur, Dr. I.S. Kangjam, Chairman of Theatre Centre of Manipur, Padma Shri Warepa Naba, and several eminent personalities of the state attended the event. Renowned personality of Manipuri cinema, Makho Mani Mongsa, spoke on the theme of the book on the occasion. A 3-day leadership program as a part of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, Kada's Relentless Came to Uproot Intoxicant in the state kicked off at Jiribam Community Center yesterday. Resource person at the event gave lectures on how to be good leader. 100 persons including members of Kada, Jiribam District Committee and people of the area attended the program. Desam, Atsam and AIMS in a joint press release condemned the state government for its conduct to appoint a non-Manipuri as the chief secretary of the state. They call on attention of the state authority to recommend a native candidate of the state for the post. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring reports on Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur under 5-ton passenger service demand to withdraw the new policy of traffic regulation and parking committee. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Members of the Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur under 5-ton passenger service demanded the government to withdraw Traffic Regulation and Parking Committee (TRPC) Imphaal's new policy of not allowing the entry of passenger vehicles in Imphal city. Speaking to media persons, convener of the council, Laikuram Somerendro, criticized the government for blaming the auto rickshaws and passenger vehicles for increasing the volume of traffic. Stating the plight of the workers employed in passenger service, he drew the attention of the government to repeal the ban on passenger vehicles and further warned of agitation if the government fails to heed the demand. Laikuram Somendro also appealed to the government to provide transport services which are suitable to changing times and further pressurized to enforce a new vehicle conversion policy at the earliest. Social Advancement IPSA in a press release lauded the CSOs, students of schools, colleges and nursing institute for the sincere participation on the second Dark Day Observation 2018 on April 27th. Help and assistance continue to pour for 12-year-old Huidrom Thoibi and younger sister 9-year-old Huidrom Nganthoi who lost her parents in a series of unfortunate events last month. The editorial board of Local Daily, Pandam, Loktak News WhatsApp group, Badru Rahman Foundation and Pradhan of Kairang Khomidog GP provided financial assistance to the young girls from Sekmai Mamang Laikai today. The donors maintained that they provided the assistance with an aim of creating a society based on compassion. Sri Saitya Seva Organization of Manipur organized the second state-level convention for the alumni and the current students of Bal Bikas Institute at Lamyan Basanglen Palace Compound today. The program organized on the theme Sri Satya Sai Bal Bikas, the only ray of hope for mankind, encouraged students who participated at similar convention held across the nation by distributing certificates. Education Commissioner H. Dilip IAS and Chief Conservator of Forest T.H. Mohendra Pratap IFS also attended the program. Lalit Kala Sangam Longlaubung organized a one-day workshop cum demonstration program on Manipuri Nata Sankirtan and Mano Harsai at Music College Imphal today. National awardee Aribam Chuteshwar Sarma, chairman of Lalit Kala Sangam, B. Neta Chandra Sarma, and other prominent personalities in the field of art attended the program. Pung Cholom, Karton Cholom, demonstration, Manohar Sai Sankirtan, and Bengali Kirtana were showcased as a part of the program. President of Guan, Sri Sri Govindaji Temple, Nahakpa Moirang Ningtho passed away at 104th at his residence in Thambalkhong Sabha Laikai today. Moirang Ningtho is the father of Khetrigao MLA Nahakpam Indrajit. He not only contributed in promoting the culture and tradition of the state, but also played various roles in Jatrawali. The pre-production ceremony of Kao Phaba, a Manipuri digital film under Bimic Film Production, written by renowned writer Moirang Them Inau, was held at Manipur Press Club today. Bam Bam and Nishomani are the producer and director of the film respectively. The cast of the film are Gokul, Soma and Ratan Lai. Shamrock Bubbles celebrated its 4th anniversary at Hotel Imphal today. Cultural programs, fashion parade on the theme Around the World and play on Swachh Bharat and women empowerment by the students of the school were the highlights of the celebration. And in sports news, Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai opened an all-girls grassroots football center under the sponsorship of Center for Microfinance and Livelihood and Tata Trust at the public ground of the union today. Grassroots leaders S. Heman and M. Shubhas were started offering foundation courses to 57 young girls from 6 to 14 years from different parts of the state from today. Sports equipments are to be utilized by the students and the teachers of the football center were also distributed at the inaugural event. President of ESU, C.H. Birendra, Secretary of ESU, retired IAS R.K. Nimai, Regional Manager of CML Tata Trust, Anmol Mazumdar, Senior Program Executive of Tata Trust, Rajesh Sivakoti, officials of ESU, Wangkai and other eminent personalities attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Senior Program Executive of Tata Trust, Rajesh Sivakoti, maintained that the Grassroots Football Center will play a significant role in promoting and generating talented women footballers in the state.
We want to make this center as an example to all the centers that we have. Around 15 now. We'll be opening 20 more centers with Hampa in the coming month. So these centers should stand as an example, talent with results. When I call talent with results, it includes discipline, it includes football, and includes all-round development of the children, girl children here. So I request all the children, I think we are supporting 50 children here, to give their best, to get the best from the coach and excel in future. So this is just a start. We can go a long way from here. Grassroots is just the base. We have to go a long way to go to the top of the pyramid. So all the best.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren says the mistake of the health department is the cause of Sagoman Imphali's district hospital row, is sure to solve the issue. Manipur joins the rest of the world in observing International Dance Day today. And UCM to confirm if the framework agreement between NSC and IM and the central government harms interest of the people.